Hello, just look at how far this paper airplane flies. It's very easy to make. I'll teach you now. In this episode, I will tell you how to make a new paper airplane. I spotted it on the internet, found it in some old Soviet textbook. This is how it looks. Even Russian letters, it says lightning. No, we will make it according to this instruction. I haven't found the same plane made anywhere on the internet, so this will be something new. So I also checked out other YouTube channels about paper airplanes. I didn't see how to make this kind of plane there either, so we'll figure it out together now. At the end of the video, I'll definitely include instructions on how to make this plane, so it's easier for you to watch. In the meantime, you can use this video. So first we fold our sheet in half along the So now we need to take this step. I don't know if you can see it or not. We need to fold the sheet like this. Today we will follow this instruction. Yes, excellent. This step is completed. This is what our airplane template looks like. The next step is to fold these corners to the center. And you need to do this 3 times so that the folds become more flexible in this area.
Next, we need to
move on to the 6th step, to this one.
It will be more convenient to turn the sheet like this. And we straighten this part.
The bench should start from here. Great, this is how the little plane looks at this stage. Next, step number 8.
Bend right here.
Fold approximately in the middle.
Along the entire length.
The next step is to lift this part that we folded up. Start making the tail of the airplane like this. first fold it in this direction, then in the opposite direction along the same crease.
You need to make this bend up to here. Bend. Now we straighten here, making a house. Smoothing it out. Here is the tail we got.
And now we need to do the final stage to bend our wing right here, approximately like this.
Overall, the main thing is well about the size of a finger.
This fold should run parallel to this line.
On the reverse side, we do the same thing.
Everything is ready. Now we straighten it out. Preparing our plane for its first flight.
Everything is ready. Now you see how it flies and the diagram of this airplane.
And after the first few launches, I noticed that this part of the plane is very weak and bends. Therefore, in the next video, I will try to reinforce this part of the plane because it flies very well and far. And also, if we reinforce this weak spot on the paper airplane, we can launch it using this kind of slingshot catapult. And the airplane, in theory, should fly very far. So be sure to subscribe to my channel to see the continuation of this video. And I wish you a good day and see you next time.